Hi everyone, this is Karen from My Vegan Venue. Today we are sharing a refreshing and light recipe from our Seriously Salads collection. Summer Italian Vegetable and Bean Salad. A great option for hot summer days, the cold salad calls for some of summer's easiest vegetables and herbs, including vine-sweetened tomatoes, sweet onions, crisp cucumber, and fresh herbs such as parsley, thyme, rosemary, or a combination of them. We include creamy cannellini beans to add protein and toss the salad with light red wine vinegar for an oil-free option. The recipe makes about 6 cups and takes 10 to 15 minutes to make. It is an excellent side dish or topping for garlicky pasta or grains, is a healthy burrito filling, or fresh topping for soft and chewy flatbread or a thinly sliced baguette. For the ingredients, you will need 1½ cups or 1 15-ounce can of cannellini beans or other white beans, 1/2 of a small sweet onion or red onion, 1 medium cucumber or English cucumber, 3 Roma tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped fresh herbs, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is optional, and black pepper to taste. To prep the salad, you need to peel and dice the onion, and you will need about 1/2 cup. Optionally peel the cucumber and then dice it. Cut the tomatoes in half. Use a spoon to scoop out the seeds if desired. Discard them or save for another use. Dice the tomatoes. Wash dry and finely chop the herb or herb combination. If using canned beans, drain and rinse them through a colander. To make the salad into a medium salad or serving bowl, add the beans, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and salt if using. Gently stir them to combine, and then drizzle on the red wine vinegar and gently stir with a large spoon. And then refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. Serve the salad cold with fresh ground black pepper if desired. We hope you enjoy this recipe from our Seriously Salads collection. Remember that each individual can save the lives of over 100 animals a year by going vegan and staying vegan. Please visit us at www.myveganvenue.com for other recipes in our Seriously Salads collection. Thank you and have a great day.